To redeem Steam keys, start by logging into your Steam account on your computer. Open the Steam client, which can be downloaded from the official website if you don't already have it installed. Once you're logged in, navigate to your game library by clicking on the Library option at the top bar. From there, scroll down to the bottom and select Add a Game. A set of options will appear, and you should choose Activate a Product on Steam. You will then be prompted to enter your Steam key, which is usually a digital key if you've purchased the game online. Copy and paste the key into the product code box and click Next. Steam will ask you to review the game details before finalizing the process. And once you're satisfied, click Finish. Steam will verify your key, and if it's valid, you'll be taken to the library page, where you can navigate to the title and click Install to start the download. Once the installation is complete, the Install button will change to Play. If you're trying to redeem Steam keys on your phone, note that it's not possible to do so directly through the mobile app. However, you can use a workaround by accessing the Steam key registration page. A pop-up will appear, asking you to enter your product key, which you can copy and paste into the box. After checking the terms and conditions, click Continue. You can then launch your Steam app to review your product keys under the Account Details section. Make sure to double-check the product activation dates and title. If you encounter any issues, you can reach out to Steam support for assistance.